Today's tutorial is for a cozy scarf made with a three-dimensional crochet stitch. Once you understand how this stitch works, this scarf is quite easy and very quick to make. You can probably crochet it in just one evening. There is only one repeating row in the pattern and the scarf looks the same on both sides. You can make your scarf any size you want. I made mine 66 inches long and 6 inches wide. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to thank those of you who have made donations through my Ko-fi page. Crochet is one of the lowest paying niches on YouTube, and I do not make sponsored videos. I do not want to make promotional paid videos. I don't want to promote anything to my viewers. I want to crochet and I want to share my patterns and tutorials with you. So my channel really exists because of your support. Thank you so much. The yarn that I use is Wool Ease by Lion brand. It's a category for 80% acrylic, 20% wool, and I will crochet with a hook size I, 5.5 millimeters. The starting chain must be a multiple of 3 plus 1. I start with 27 chains. Here I have 27 chains, and the first row is very easy. It's just a row of double crochets. Into the first chain from the hook I work a double crochet. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the first chain I work a double crochet. And now I simply work a double crochet into each chain across. So again, the first row is simply a row of double crochets. Here I finished the first row, which was a row of double crochets. Now I turn my work and I start the next row with 2 chains. 1, 2. These 2 chains will count as the first double crochet of the next row, and they correspond to this first double crochet of the previous row. Now into the next or the second double crochet I work a double crochet. I skip the next double crochet, and around the next double crochet I work a front post double crochet. So I insert the hook this way and work a front post double crochet. Now I'm going to work a double crochet into this same stitch, this same double crochet around which I already worked front post double crochet, but this is going to be a regular double crochet. So right here, these 2 loops, they are on the top of this double crochet. So inserting the hook under those 2 loops, that's where I work a double crochet. So let's take a look. We have 2 stitches basically worked into the same double crochet. The first stitch is worked around, it's a front post double crochet, and then the second stitch is worked into the stitch itself. And now I'm going to work another front post double crochet, working it around this front post double crochet that I just made. So I do yarn over and then I insert the hook under this front post double crochet or around, and I work another front post double crochet, and this is what it looks like. Now I skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and right here with this double crochet I'm going to do the same thing. First I will work a front post double crochet, inserting the hook this way, so yarn over and I work a front post double crochet. Then into this same stitch, inserting the hook under the 2 loops on the top of the stitch, I work a regular double crochet. And now again I will work a front post double crochet, but this time around this front post double crochet that I just made. And that's how I continue crocheting this row. I skip 2 double crochets, then I work a front post double crochet around the next double crochet. Then into the same double crochet, inserting the hook under 2 loops on the top, I work a double crochet. And then around this front post double crochet that I just made, I work another front post double crochet. And that's how I continue. I crocheted all the way across to the last 3 stitches, and here is how I'm going to finish this row. I skip 1 double crochet, and into each one of the last 2 double crochets I work a double crochet. So 1 and 2, and that's what this row looks like. I turn my work and I start the next row with 2 chains, which count as the first double crochet and correspond to this double crochet, the first double crochet of the previous row. Now into the next or the second double crochet, I work a double crochet. Now over here I have 3 stitches. One looks like a front post double crochet, and then on the back there are 2 more stitches. So first I'm going to work a front post double crochet around this front post double crochet. Then under the 2 loops of this same stitch I work a regular double crochet. And now again, around the front post double crochet that I just made, I will work another front post double crochet. So yarn over and inserting the hook around that front post double crochet, I work another front post double crochet. And over here again I have a group made of 3 stitches. Here is a front post double crochet, and I make a front post double crochet around it. Then under the 2 loops on the top of that same stitch, I work a regular double crochet. And then around the front post double crochet that I just made, I work 1 more front post double crochet. And the same thing over here, a front post double crochet around the front post double crochet, then a regular double crochet under the 2 loops of that same double crochet, and then 1 more front post double crochet. And that's how I continue crocheting this row all the way across to the last 2 double crochets. And at the end of the row, I simply make a double crochet into each one of the last 2 double crochets. So 1 and 2. I turn my work, and all I need to do now is to repeat the previous row. So I start with 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next or second double crochet I make a double crochet. Then over here I have 3 stitches. Right here is a front post double crochet, around which I work a front post double crochet. Then I work a regular double crochet into the top of that stitch. And now I work another front post double crochet around this front post double crochet that I just made. And the same thing over here. And that's how I'm going to continue crocheting this stitch. Here I crocheted some more, and this is what this stitch looks like. So I'm going to continue crocheting, and then I'll show you how to make the very last row, because we started with a row of double crochets and we should end with a row of double crochets. And now the very last row should be a row of double crochets. So I start with 2 chains, which count as the first double crochet, and into the next double crochet I make a double crochet. Now over here I have 3 stitches, 1 is on the front and 2 on the back. But if we look at the top over here, we can clearly see these 3 stitches. So into each one of them I make a double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And the same thing over here. So basically in this row, into each stitch I make a double crochet. I made a row of double crochets. Now I can fasten off and the scarf is finished.